It has happened very quickly. I feel privileged to have been asked to undertake this important task. There is a lot of work ahead of us. I'm going to try and hold a directions hearing to get the thing rolling on the 6th of September 2016, with a view to commencing hearings perhaps in early October, but you'll appreciate that there's much to be done in the meantime. As has been mentioned, a number of people and organisations have already indicated their willingness to assist and their desire to put information before this Commission. So we look forward to hearing from anyone who believes that they have useful information that can assist. So as I said, it's a large task, but it is a vital task. And we look forward to it, and there will be a website and a number available immediately through which inquiries can be made. Whether racism does or doesn't play a role will be part of the inquiry. This is about child protection systems, it's about the culture. You'll notice that the terms of reference include questions about the culture within the system. And naturally, if people believe that racism plays a role, then that's going to be the subject of evidence before the Commission. So it will be not appropriate at this time to make any predictions about what does or doesn't play a role within the system in the Northern Territory.
Do you have a time frame in mind? I know the Prime Minister had said perhaps reporting as early as next year. Is that enough time for you? Would that be too rushed?
Well, we'll find out, won't we? The letters patent say the 31st of March. That is tight when one looks at the breadth of the terms of reference, but given some hard work, hopefully we'll meet it, but I'm sure that if I need extra time, it will be given to me.
Given you've spent so much time in the Northern Territory in this justice space, are you concerned there may be any perception of conflict of interest?
I don't think so. I can't see how that would arise. There's never been any suggestion that this sort of treatment was brought to my attention or the attention of other Supreme Court judges. I don't see that at all. I see the advantages of a knowledge of the Territory. And to answer the question earlier, those who are disillusioned, I encourage to come forward. There's their way in to make their views and their concerns known so that they can be properly assessed and addressed as best we can.
Just in addition, so no concerns that you might have been involved in a judicial sense with any of these young people either?
Oh, look, I couldn't guarantee that I haven't sentenced a young person. You'll appreciate the vast majority of sentencing is done in the Children's Court or the Youth Court. I can't say that I won't necessarily have sentenced someone for an offence, but never in my experience when an offender has come, a child offender has come before the court, has anyone stood up and said that child offender has been mistreated in a significant way within the system. There are always from time to time complaints that someone might be victimised because of the nature of the offence they've committed. So those sort of things are said, but never has anyone come forward and said, look, while in custody, this child was tear-gassed or this child was hooded or there was some mistreatment of the child. So the mere fact that I might have sentenced someone, I don't see as a problem at all.